So today I'm going to be showing you how to check your cabin air filter on a 2022 Silverado. As you can see by the new interior of it. So first of all, you want to open your glove box, and let me get some lighting first. There you go. So once you open your glove box right here on the sides, you gotta push in right here, push in, and over here too. Push in at the same time, and that's gonna get your glove box to release and come down. And before that, you can disconnect this little strut over here. This right here, just to slice down in there. Let's see if I can get better lighting in there. So as you can see, this just slides in there. Take it off, and then as you can see, that's why it drops very fast, because that little strut helps it out. That way it doesn't slam down when you open it. So I'm gonna try and push it in with the camera on my hand and see if I can get it out. Oh, there it is. I get it out, and here's the two little tabs. You just gotta push in because they hold those holes right here. That's what keeps it in place. And here's your little strut right here, as you can see. And I'll show you the other side. Just to squeeze those little tabs in there, and you can slide this thing out. Once you get it out, pretty simple. Your cabin filter should be right there. You just gotta take this door out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. There it is. You just gotta pull back on this tab over here and then slide it to the left. Like that. And there's your cabin air filter. Make sure if you're replacing it, your arrows are pointing down on it, because the air is coming from the top and down. You don't want to put it upside down, so you just grab it, pull it out. As you can see, mine's a little dirty, so I'm going to be replacing it soon. But I just want to show you guys how to replace it on a 2022 Silverado. And just to, if you're replacing it, just put the new one on, slide it in, and here's the little door I was talking to you about. See this right here? You just gotta push it up. Once you push it up, you should be able to slide it to the left, and it should come right out. To put it back in, you just put it in there. Make sure, see those little tabs? It's gotta be in there when you slide it, and over there. So once you're in there, slide it to the left, and you hear that little pop, and that's in there. And then I'll just show you guys how to put the box back in there, I guess. So you got those hooks right there. Hook them up to those right there. So once you got them, flip it up, push back on your little tabs on the side. Okay, got them. Come back to this side and snap it back on. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There it is. And just test it out, make sure it doesn't fall. And there you go. That's how you check your cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.